The White Alessi Handheld Vacuum transcends mere functionality. It is a sculpted whisper in a world of clatter. It is not simply a device for cleaning, but rather a minimalist statement. A piece of kinetic art designed for the modern home. The seamless, elongated form feels cool and solid in the hand, much like a polished river stone. And yet it is astonishingly lightweight. It promises both power and grace, a duality that few appliances can claim. While its purpose is to conquer dust and debris, its aesthetic is one of serene calm, a stark contrast to the chaos it effortlessly tames. Therefore, this tool becomes a partner in maintaining a tranquil living space, a subtle ally against the inevitable intrusions of everyday life. Ultimately, it is a testament to the idea that even the most mundane chores can be elevated to an art form. Furthermore, the operation of the White Alessi Handheld Vacuum is a study in quiet efficiency. Unlike the jarring roars of its conventional counterparts, it hums with a focused energy, a low murmur that hints at its capability without disrupting the peace. Consequently, the act of tidying up becomes less of a chore and more of a meditative ritual. It glides over surfaces, a silent predator hunting rogue crumbs and stray hairs. And its powerful suction is a silent victory over disorder. Moreover, the ergonomic design ensures that every movement is natural and fluid, and the single button operation simplifies the entire process. Meanwhile, the dust canister is easily detached and emptied, a satisfying conclusion to the cleaning journey. As a result, this vacuum doesn't just clean, it reclaims order and restores balance. In addition, the White Alessi Handheld Vacuum is a brilliant star in a galaxy of design, and it radiates an effortless chic that transforms a utilitarian object into a cherished possession. It is a symbol of a life lived with intention, where every detail, no matter how small, is considered and curated. Although it is a practical tool, it speaks a language of beauty and refinement, and it whispers tales of streamlined living and aesthetic appreciation. Moreover, its charging base is a sculpture in itself, allowing the vacuum to rest elegantly when not in use. So it is never an eyesore. Therefore, while it performs its duty with quiet competence, it also elevates the surrounding environment, and its presence adds a touch of sophistication. Thus, this isn't just a vacuum. It is an extension of a well-designed life, a silent sentinel that guards against the clutter and noise of the world. Pros: good compromise between function and design, easy to clean, good for liquid suction, beautiful design, very successful design, performance is very correct, great suction power, looks absolutely elegant, can be hung on the wall, good at its job, good battery life, easy to use, easy to empty, easy to recharge, very powerful. Cons: price is only justified for design, plugs don't fit Canadian outlets, not for greasy or oily hands. Features: stylish, Alessi design, compact and portable, lightweight for easy use, powerful suction, rechargeable. Battery: USB charging cable, includes 2 nozzles, built-in LED light, easy to empty and clean. Convenient charging base. The Alessi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a stylish and powerful cordless vacuum designed for easy use. Its compact, lightweight design makes it highly portable, and it features strong suction to effectively clean up messes. It comes with a rechargeable battery that charges via a USB cable and a convenient charging base. The vacuum also includes 2 nozzles, a built-in LED light, and an easy-to-empty, easy-to-clean dirt chamber. The Alessi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a well-designed and powerful vacuum that strikes a good balance between form and function. It boasts great suction power, a long battery life, and is easy to use, recharge, and empty. It's also effective at cleaning up liquids and can be conveniently hung on the wall. While its elegant design and strong performance justify its price for many, it has some drawbacks. The plugs aren't compatible with Canadian outlets and the white surface can be difficult to grip with greasy or oily hands. Overall, it's a very capable vacuum that's both beautiful and effective.